let us feel those feelings that were felt once before. Let me mend your heart that was once full. Oh, let us fix the issues that were left outside the door. Let us learn to heal rather than to ignore. Whoa, whoa. Whoa, 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 whoa. I wanna lift you up, I'm gonna set you down, I'm gonna take your hand and spin you round and round. I'm gonna open my arms and open my ears. I'm gonna listen to your stories, wipe away your tears. Whoa, whoa.